Preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to
Kids Fun Club. I'm Prediction Fun. Kids Fun Club. And today we are going to make a Fortnite Marshmello Skin.
we need a
Black sketch from for using Sharpies.
yeah.
You can use a pencil as well.
Yeah.
And papers and some colors.
Yeah.
You cannot color it also.
We'll not be coloring it, we'll leave it black.
Yeah, right.
So let's start.
Drawing.
Yo!
First we make a little semicircle.
Now first let us make the two lines. A little slanting.
What? These are not slanting lines.
Yeah, these are a little slanting lines.
Little slanting. This is like a normal semicircle.
Okay.
Now the eyes.
Now the smiling big face.
Don't scare me like that.
Yo. And now the eyes. How do we make the eyes? See, easy step to make the marshmallow eyes. Two lines like this.
I can make it. I don't need steps.
Yeah. And now the body part of it. How is it? Yeah? Oh my god. And the legs. See how easy this drawing is. So fun and so easy drawing, right? Oh. Okay.
All the pockets.
Mm-hmm.
A belt
Yeah.
on the t-shirt.
Yeah.
The belt on the t-shirt.
Okay, I did not make it.
And we're gonna give it like this. And the neck. Now let's start making the hands.
Yes. The hands.
Yeah. Now do it like this. Okay.
Now the hands. These are the like a robot hands.
Yeah, this is like a robot. Like, now you can't do anything in front of you, right?
So now the fingers. How are the fingers made? Just check out. Okay. Similarly this side.
And this is ready. My Fortnite Marshmello Skin is ready.
Mine also is ready.
No, it's not. Baba, you feel forgetting something. Yeah, we are forgetting this, right?
No, I am done. Yeah, are you forgetting something?
No.
You did not do this.
What this? I'm not going to do that. Okay?
Why?
I'm not going to. It's not looking nice. Okay, let's do it. I won.
He is so confused.
I'm done.
Yes, we are done with the marshmallow skin drawing.
The Fortnite Marshmello.
The Fortnite Marshmello Skin drawing.
So, the parents, share your kids' drawing with us on Instagram. Tag us at the Kids Fun Club /Kids Fun Club and we have some awesome drawing books. Go to www.kidsfunnerclub.com/books. And now you can get these t-shirts.
Yay!
But I'm not wearing those right now.
Okay. So do not forget to like and
Subscribe our channel to see more drawings, more experiment, more game videos, more poems and more experiments.
yes. So until then, have a good day.
Bye bye.